Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Toyota 3.5 V6 2GR engine family is a highly successful and widely utilized series of V6 gasoline engines, known for its blend of performance, refinement, and for the most part, strong reliability. Introduced in 2005, it replaced the older MZ V6 and JZ inline 6 engines in many applications. History and versions. The 2GR engine family is a 3.5-liter, 3,456 cubic centimeters, all-aluminum V6 with a 60-degree bank angle. It features dual VVTi, variable valve timing with intelligence, on both intake and exhaust camshafts, driven by timing chain. The 2GR has been used in an incredibly diverse range of vehicles across Toyota, Lexus, and even Lotus, demonstrating its versatility. Toyota, Avalon, Camry, RAV4, Highlander/Kluger, Sienna, Alphard/Velfire, Crown, Mark X Zeo, Blade Master, Venza, Estima, Previa, Targo, Tacoma, later models. Lexus, ES350, R times 350 divided by 450H, GS350, IS350, LM350. Lotus, Evora, Exige, Amira, often supercharged versions. Key variants. 2GR, FE, 2005 present. This is the most common and longest-running variant. It features traditional port fuel injection. Power output typically ranges from 268 horsepower to 301 horsepower and 248 to 260 lb-ft of torque, depending on the application and tuning. It's known for its broad power band and smooth operation. This is the version found in many popular Toyota models like the Camry, RAV4, Highlander, and Sienna, as well as the Lotus models, often supercharged by Lotus. 2GR, FSE, 2006 approximate. 2015 this version was primarily used in Lexus models, e.g., IS350, GS350, Crown, Mark X. It incorporates Toyota's D4S twin injection system, which combines direct injection with traditional port injection. This system helps to mitigate carbon buildup on intake valves, a common direct injection issue, and allows for a higher compression ratio, up to 11.8 to 1, resulting in improved power, around 306 to 314 horsepower, and efficiency. 2GR, FXE/2GR, FXS, hybrid versions, 2010s present. These variants are designed for hybrid applications, e.g., Lexus RX 450h, Toyota Highlander hybrid. They often operate on the Atkinson combustion cycle for enhanced fuel efficiency at the cost of some peak power, which is compensated by the electric motor. 2GR, FKS, 2015 present. This is a newer iteration, often referred to as the updated 2GR. It combines features of both the FE and FSC, typically incorporating D4S injection and VVTiW, variable valve timing with intelligent wide, allowing for Atkinson cycle operation. Power output can range from 278 horsepower, Tacoma, to 311 horsepower, Lexus IS350/GS350. Review and opinions. The 2GR engine family is highly regarded for several reasons. Performance. For a naturally aspirated V6, it offers strong and responsive power, making vehicles feel quick and capable. The V6 power delivery is linear and smooth, without the lag associated with turbochargers. Refinement. It's known for its smooth operation and quiet running, especially in Lexus applications, contributing to a comfortable driving experience. Reliability. Generally, the 2GR FE in particular has built an excellent reputation for long-term durability and high mileage capability, embodying Toyota's reliability ethos. The D4S equipped versions, FSE/FKS, also maintain good reliability, with the port injection helping to keep intake valves clean. Versatility. Its application across various vehicle types, from sedans and minivans to SUVs and sports cars, speaks to its adaptable design. Advantages. Strong power and torque. Delivers ample power for most driving situations, with good acceleration. Excellent reliability. Especially the 2GR FE, it's considered very dependable and capable of high mileage. Smooth operation. Provides a refined and quiet driving experience. Timing chain. Uses a timing chain, eliminating the need for periodic replacement and reducing long-term maintenance costs. Dual VVTi. Optimizes valve timing for both performance and efficiency. D4S. In FSE/FKS versions, the combination of direct and port injection helps mitigate carbon buildup issues common in pure direct injection engines, while providing the benefits of both systems. Lightweight. All aluminum construction helps keep vehicle weight down. Disadvantages. Fuel consumption. Compared to newer engines, while efficient for a naturally aspirated V6, it's not as fuel efficient as newer, smaller displacement turbocharged engines. Lack of low-end punch. Compared to turbos, while good, it doesn't have the immediate, strong low-end torque of turbocharged engines, which can be noticeable in larger vehicles or when towing. Some specific known issues. While generally robust, like any engine, it has a few recurring problems. See faults and breakdowns. Faults and breakdowns. Despite its strong reliability, the 2GR family has a few common issues, some of which are minor, others more involved. Front timing cover oil leaks. 2GR FE in older models, especially 2007 to 2010, this is arguably the most notorious and costly issue. The sealant used on the timing cover, where the cylinder head, block, and cover meet, can fail over time, leading to oil leaks. The repair is labor-intensive as it often requires significant disassembly, sometimes even engine removal or subframe dropping, making it very expensive. Toyota has revised the sealant and process over the years, making it less common in later models. VVTi oil line, rubber hose. Failure. Early 2GR FE models. Some early 2GR FE engines, pre-2010, used a rubber hose for one of the VVTi oil lines. This rubber could degrade and burst, leading to a sudden and significant oil leak, potentially causing severe engine damage if not caught immediately. Toyota issued a recall for this, and a replacement is a more durable all-metal line. Water pump failure. Like many engines, the water pump is a wear item that can develop leaks or bearing noise over time, requiring replacement. Idler pulley noise/failure. Squealing or rattling from the accessory belt idler pulley can occur. This is a relatively minor fix. Carbon buildup, primarily in 2GR FSE/FKS if D4S system malfunctions, while the D4S system is designed to prevent it. If the port injectors are not functioning optimally, or if driving habits consist mainly of short trips, some carbon buildup on intake valves is still theoretically possible over very high mileage. This is far less common and severe than in pure direct injection engines. Valve spring issues. Very rare, isolated reports of valve spring issues, but not a widespread or common fault. Exhaust valve port issues. Less common, but reported on some high-mileage units. Some reports of issues with exhaust valve ports, particularly cylinders 1 and 6, at high mileage, potentially leading to low compression or misfires due to excessive heat. This is not as widespread as the timing cover leak. Fuel consumption. Fuel consumption for the 2GR varies based on the vehicle, driving conditions, and specific engine variant. FE, FSC, FXE/FXS, FKS. Non-hybrid, 2GR, FE/FSE/FKS. Sedan/crossovers, e.g., Camry, Avalon, RAV4, ES350, RX350 typically range from 19 to 22 mpg city, 10.7 to 12.4 L/100 km, and 26 to 30 mpg highway, 7.8 to 9.0 L/100 km. Combined figures are often in the 22 to 25 mpg range. Minivan/larger SUVs, e.g., Sienna, Highlander slightly lower, perhaps 17 to 19 mpg city, 12.4 to 13.8 L/100 km, and 23 to 26 mpg highway, 9.0 to 10.2 100 km, combined around 20 to 22 mpg. Hybrid 2-jar FXE/FXS. These versions, paired with electric motors, offer significantly better city fuel economy, often in the high 20s or even low 30s mpg combined, depending on a model, e.g. Lexus RX 450h Highlander Hybrid. Timing. All versions of the Toyota 3.5 V6 2GR engine use a timing chain. This is a significant advantage for owners, as timing chains are generally designed to last the life of the engine and do not require periodic replacement, unlike timing belts, thus reducing long-term maintenance costs and concerns. Oil. Recommended oil type. Toyota generally specifies 0W20 synthetic motor oil for most 2GR engines, especially later models. Some earlier models or specific applications might recommend 5W30. Always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for the precise recommendation, as using the correct viscosity is critical for VVTi operation and overall engine health. Oil capacity. The oil capacity typically ranges from 6.1 to 6.4 U.S. quarts, approximate 5.8 to 6.1 liters, with a filter change depending on the specific vehicle and model year. Oil change interval. Toyota generally recommends oil changes every 10,000 miles, 16,000 kilometers, or 12 months when using synthetic oil under normal driving conditions. For severe duty, e.g., heavy stop-and-go traffic, very short trips, extreme temperatures, dusty conditions, extensive towing, more frequent changes, e.g., every 5,000 miles or 6 months, are advisable. Regular, high-quality oil changes are paramount for the longevity of the VVTi system and other engine components. In conclusion, the Toyota 3.5 V6 2GR engine family stands out as a highly successful and reliable powertrain that offers a great balance of performance, refinement, and durability. While some early models had a few notable issues, like the VVTi oil line and timing cover leaks, these were largely addressed, and with proper maintenance, the 2GR remains an excellent choice for a dependable and capable vehicle. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.